A very good morning, children. So let us continue our exercise 9.3. So we are there at the third Roman. So very simple things. Find the product. That means we have to multiply the given monomials. So a square multiplied by 2a power 22 multiplied by 4a power 26. So as we have been doing in the previous exercises, first we will take the numerical coefficients. Okay, 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by, now the algebraic terms, a square multiplied by a power 22 multiplied by a power 26, a power 26. So that is going to be 2 4s are 8. Okay, I am writing directly because you are quite confident with this multiplication so far. So 2 plus 22, 24. Okay, 24 plus 26, 50. So the product of the given monomials gives us 8a power 50. Now look at the second question, children. 2 by 3 xy multiplied by minus 9 by 10 x square y square. Okay, so as we are doing, write the numerical terms separately like this. So 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 9 by 10 multiplied by xy multiplied by x square y square, x square y square. Now look, here we have a chance of cross cancellation where 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, and similarly in this 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what is the leftover numerical quotient now? 1 into minus 3, which is minus 3, by 1 into 5, which is 5. Now the algebraic terms, x multiplied by x square, which gives us x cube. As you know, here if there is no power, we'll take 1. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Now the y term, y, if there is no power, we'll take 1. 1 plus 2, 3. So minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube is the result of this product. So take the third one and fourth one of this Roman as homework. Now we are going to fourth Roman. Check the board. So the fourth Roman, a question. Simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its values for x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So up to here it's one question. That means simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. So simplify means if there is any chance of multiplication and to find the terms, okay, then we have to do that process. So the given expression is 3x multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 3. This plus indicates this term is a different term and 3 is a different term. So 3x don't carry any kind of connection with this 3. So the term is 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. Look, 3x into 4x minus 3. How we will do? Multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. So this gives 3x into 4x. As we have minus here, drop that minus, because plus into minus gives us minus, and 3x multiplied by 5. Okay, 3x multiplied by 5 plus 3 is the leftover term. Now 3x into 4x. 3 into 4 is 12. X into x is x square minus 3x into 5. 3 5s are 15x plus 3. 15x plus 3. So the simplified form of 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now they asked us find its value for x is equal to 3. That means by substituting the value of x as 3 and 1 by 2, what is the result we are going to get? That we have to find. So for that, for x is equal to 3. For x is equal to 3. We have the expression after simplification as 12x square minus 15x plus 3. 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So substitute the value of x as 3. So 12 into 3 square. For your clear cut understanding, I am writing like this, minus 15 into 3, because we have x here, plus 3. Okay. So 12 into 3x square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. That is equal to 12 into 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. 3 square gives us 9 minus 15 into 3 plus 3. Okay. So 12 nines are 108 minus 45, because 15 3 is 45 plus 3. Okay. 108 minus 45 plus 3. Okay. The value is going to be 66. And the same we have to find for x is equal to 1 by 2. For x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, look. So we have the expression again as 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Okay. We have to substitute the value of x as 1 by 2 now. So 12 multiplied by 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Okay, which gives us, so 12 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 15 into 1 by 2, directly we can write as 15 by 2 plus 3. Okay, look, 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. So the leftover value is 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Okay. So which is equal to 3 plus 3, 6 minus 15 by 2. Okay. For easy calculation, let us apply the method of cross multiplication by taking the denominator as 1. Okay. So cross multiplication. 6 into 2, 12 minus 1 into 15, 15 divided by 1 into 2, 2. Okay, this is the one which we already learned in rational numbers, okay, and the other chapters. So 12 minus 15 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, minus 3 by 2. Upon substituting the value of x as 1 by 2, we got the value for the given expression as minus 3 by 2. Hope you understood, children. So please copy it carefully, and B question of this Roman is going to be your homework for today. Now let us move to 5th Roman. Okay, now the 5th Roman, add P into P minus Q, Q into Q minus R, and R into R minus P. Okay, so very easy, as we have to find the sum of these algebraic expressions. So P into P minus Q plus Q into Q minus R plus R into R minus P. Okay, as they asked us to add, I am taking the symbol of addition. So P into P, P square minus P into Q, PQ plus Q into Q square. From here on, look carefully children. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. Q into R, QR plus R into R square plus into minus, minus plus into minus, minus R into P, RP. Okay, R into P, RP. So we cannot find any like terms. So just rearrange the terms. So P square plus Q square plus R square minus PQ minus QR minus RP. If you don't arrange like this also, correct. If you can stop here, but just to make it somehow good, we are arranging the terms as per the roots. Okay, that is square and all. So now let us move to B question of A, 5th Roman. So please check it. Okay, look children. So add 2x into z minus x minus y and 2y into z minus y minus x. So let us start the solution. So 2x into z minus x minus y, the first term, plus 2y into z minus y minus x. Okay, z minus y minus x. So 2x into z, 2xz plus into minus, minus 2x into x, the first term and the second term. Monomial multiplied by the second term of the trinomial. 2x square, again plus into minus, minus 2x into y, 2xy. Okay, plus 2y into z, 2yz plus into minus, minus 2y into y, 2y square plus into minus, minus 2y into x. We can write 2yx or 2xy. Okay, nothing wrong. Under multiplication we can write like anything. Okay, now look. So do you find any common terms? Yes, minus 2xy and minus 2xy. So let us rearrange the terms. Okay, according to their powers. Minus 2x square, this one, minus 2y square. Okay, only square terms are done. Next, plus 2xz minus 2xy and minus 2xy plus 2yz. Okay, plus 2yz. So minus 2x square minus 2y square plus 2xz minus 2. Okay, minus 4xy and the leftover term plus 2yz. Plus 2yz. So that's all children. As I told, xz we can write as zx, xy we can write as yx, yz we can write as zy, because under multiplication we don't carry any problem. So that's all for today. Let us meet in the next class. Have a great day.